everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ebi Filet-O. Ebi Filet-O is a very popular burger menu at McDonald's in Japan. It's very similar to Filet-o-fish, but the patty is shrimp cutlet instead of fish fillet. Let me show you how to make it. These are what you need. Some shrimp, it's about 300 grams, panko breadcrumb, some lettuce, potato starch or cornstarch, salt and pepper, 2 burger buns, 3 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons sake, 1 to 2 tablespoons ketchup and mayonnaise. I'm making the shrimp cutlet first, so let's remove the shell. To devein, I'm using this toothpick. Put the toothpick rather deep at the back of the shrimp and gently pull it up. And you can pour the vein out. Add 2 tablespoons sake and rub it well. Sake works like a white wine when you're doing Italian dishes, so it reduces the funny smell of the shrimp. Let's rinse and dry. I want to make half of this chunky and half of this smooth. Let's put this half into food processor. And this half, I'm going to cut it into small pieces. And don't make it too small here. This is how this half looks like. And this is the other half I put in food processor. It's like a paste. In this bowl, I have both chunky shrimp and smooth shrimp. Let's put a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And also, about 1 teaspoon of potato starch or cornstarch. This works like a glue. Let's give it a nice mix. And let's divide it into 2. I'm going to bread and deep fry them. When I do cutlet, I don't do flour, egg and panko breadcrumb, and instead I do butter and breadcrumb. So let's make butter in this bowl. 3 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons water. Mix it. The texture of this butter is like a pancake dough. Let's make the shrimp into a disc shape, into the butter and then breadcrumb. It's easier to work with wet hands, so wet your hand. You don't have to worry about the shape and the size of the disc too much here because you can fix it later. Just make it into a ball like this. Let's put it into the butter. And into panko. After your bread, you can make it into a disc about the same size with your buns. I'm heating up some vegetable oil, canola to be specific, over medium heat. Let's check the temperature. Put some leftover butter into the oil. Hit the bottom and comes up immediately. This is the right temperature. Let's put them into the oil. And if you're too scared of the hot oil, you can just put it on turner like this and then put it in. 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. Nice golden color, so let's flip it over. Both sides nicely brown, so let's take them out and drain. Now I'm going to assemble it, so let's make the sauce by mixing these two. Mayonnaise, it's about 1-2 tablespoons, and ketchup, This is totally optional, but if you like spicy food, you can put a little bit of chili oil. Mix it. And the sauce is ready. Shrimp cutlet, some lettuce, and the sauce. At McDonald's, sauce a little bit more complicated, but at home, this is just good enough. And Ebi Filet-O shrimp cutlet burger is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in next video, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!